This is your inventory page that you see all your in-house Amazon, Walmart, and other e-commerce channels inventories. So as you can see here, in-house tab has been selected. So what that means is you have received 285 items for FBA action to be sent out to Amazon fulfillment centers. And same as for the other actions, FBM, Walmart, or storage. So this is where you get to see all your received in-house inventories. And if you happen to click the Amazon, that's where you're able to see your Amazon inventories that in Amazon fulfillment centers, and same along with the Walmart and other e-commerce channels. So let's talk about the in-house inventory. So let's say you have received a specific item by mistake you shouldn't receive, and you want to fix it. So what you can do is you can go ahead and look for that specific item. All right, so this is the item that you made a mistake and you want to reverse back from receive inventory to purchase order in transit status. So you can click the title here. So this is where you're able to see all your inventory history along with the other information that we are providing you, that you have received your inventory, and you shouldn't have 100, you should have 90. You can just click the pen right here and just say 90, okay, and save the changes. So that is going to change the available quantity from 100 to 90, as you can see here. And another action that you can take, let's say you have added this item to shipment plan, but you made a mistake. Anytime you have added an item to shipment plan, it's going to be in the status of reserve. So you want to take it from reserve to the inventory. So don't forget, you always can go back to a previous status. Okay, you cannot jump from the reserve to in transit. So you have to first take it from the reserve back to inventory. So let's say reserve 10. Okay, save the changes. Here we go. So as you can see here, reserve is 10, now available is 10. So to be able to remove from available, which is already in the inventory, so you need to make sure click here and available quantity 0 and save the changes. So that's how you fix it. So you can take it back from the reserve to available or from available to in transit status. While I'm here, I want to show you other features, what you can do at this page. If you click the icon right here, you can assign a location for that specific unit. But don't forget, to be able to assign a location, you must have added additional features we are providing, which is called warehouse management system. If you have added that additional feature to your subscription plan, you can start to be using our location services right away. So once you've done that, now you can go ahead and assign for the specific item a specific location. So you can go ahead and scan the specific location name and set the quantity, and you can click assign a location. It will assign location for this item. And another thing what you can do at this inventory page, so let's say you have received an item for a wrong action. So instead of FBA, receive it under FBM. Now you can move this item between those categories. So just click here and click move, and from here it's going to ask you the destination type. So let's say it's MFN, to the store that you're going to select, which store you're going to be moving this to, and you're going to be selecting the reason. So you're going to say restock inventory. So you can go ahead and move all three, okay? Or you can just change the quantity and move the items. So there you go. We successfully moved 2 out of 3 items, which is initially supposed to be action for FBM. And as you can see here, our 285 FBA items decreased to 283. Now 2 moved to FBM action. So there it is, the 2 under the FBM action. You can also reach out to your entire product catalog that we pull from your Amazon, Walmart, Shopify, or other e-commerce channels under the product catalog. And if you happen to make changes with a specific item, let's say you have uploaded by mistake under a different ASIN, now the ASIN needs to be changed in our product catalog page, you can go ahead and click here, the pen, enter the correct ASIN and click update. So that's going to update the wrong information with the correct information that you have provided. So that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial video. Thank you so much.